Hello, join me for a tutorial on cooking kateh. Kateh is a method of cooking rice that is mostly used in Asia. It is very popular because your rice will be ready quickly. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to soak the rice, how much ingredients to use, and how to cook a kateh with a colorful and delicious tahdig. First, we want to wash our rice once to remove any dirt. Be sure to wash the rice with lukewarm water. The water should not be too cold or too hot so that the rice grains do not break. Gently turn the rice over and wash it. If your rice is very dusty or, as they say, has a lot of dirt, wash your rice twice. But if the rice is clean, washing it once is enough. In this way, now we drain the excess water. Make sure to use a strainer so that your rice doesn't spill into the water. This is how we wash the rice. Well, after washing the rice, I want to soak it. For 3 cups of rice, I use 5 cups of water. I soak the rice in this water for 1 hour, and finally the rice will be cooked with this same amount of water. We mix it and set it aside for 1 hour. After the rice has rested, we now pour the rice along with the same soaking water into the pot. Make sure your pot is not filled more than 2/3. If your pot is too full, there's a chance the rice will become too soft. Now we add the salt. Look, friends, I use 1 teaspoon of salt for each cup of rice, and now I've added 3 teaspoons of salt and about 50 grams of butter. Why do we add the butter from the beginning into the rice? Because butter is fatty, and this fat prevents your rice from becoming too soft. Now we turn on the heat. We cover the pot until it boils. Well, at first the flame was high. As soon as the pot comes to a boil, we lower the heat and let it cook with the lid on until the rice completely absorbs the water. You see, it has a lot of water now. All this water needs to evaporate. Well, our rice water has dried up, and now we want to steam our rice. You see, there's no water left in the pot, and now I want to steam the rice. To steam the rice, we place 1 piece of cloth over the pot. Then we close the lid of the pot and let it steam for about 45 minutes on low heat. After 45 minutes, our rice is fully steamed. Now come closer so I can show you its characteristics. The shade. First of all, the edges of the rice have set. You can see it separates from the pot. Secondly, the rice has lost its moisture and stickiness and is completely fluffy and good. To turn it over, we place a dish on the pot and very carefully flip it. Like this. See how great and well it turned out. If you want it darker and crispier, give it up to 1 hour.